sunshine, go on outside and let it shine.
Morning. There's Harley. Hey, buddy. First things first, coffee, right? Woke up early. Well, the sun is out there, but there's lots of haze from maybe the fires out west, I guess. So hopefully that warms us up. But time to hit McGregor today. We're all almost ready packed up. See what kind of fish we can get to take. Into Ontario. Yeah, that's right. We're crossing the border into Ontario. Long day ahead. Worst case, Ontario.
Heading off. Day 2. Gonna hit up McGregor Lake.
And Snowshoe.
Yeah. See McGregor Falls too. Already on a fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's strong. Got the morning bite. Second cast. Boom. Or was it my first?
Cool.
Let this guy go though, I think. Hope we get some walleye maybe today for lunch.
Yeah.
All right. Go bye. Bye, guy.
Success.
Double header right after we let the other one go. Oh, yeah.
Morning bite's great.
Oh, yeah. Another big.
Good bass.
These are some good ones. I got a good one, too.
Double header.
There we go. These are the bass we're looking for. Yeah.
All right. We haven't got anywhere. There you go. On another fish.
Fighting. Oh, it's a bass.
Yeah, surface area. Yeah. Oh, nice one. Nice.
Want another one? We can't even leave this little lake anymore. It's the morning and evening bite, I guess, work.
Uh-oh, I might have lost him.
Oh.
Lost him.
Oops.
Oh, well.
Carry on.
Up the creek. All these pine trees. It's beautiful in here.
Portage number 1 to McGregor. Looks like there's another one right over there.
It's a short one though. Hey? Let's go check it out, buddy. Wow.
So this is kind of tough. Might be shallow, might be stepping out of the canoe as we go up here. We'll see. And then there's a bigger one up there. Fun.
All right, we're going barefoot. Just in case. One section.
A little tough. Really seems pretty relaxed.
I think it's better to pull this up. Look at that. We got through. Doesn't look bad from here. Cool. Let's get to those falls there.
There we go. Falls to McGregor. Beautiful. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Yeah. And there we go. Oh yeah, okay. That was bad as I thought.
Yeah, it's not bad.
That'll work.
Campsite back there. Here we go. Time for some fishing.
First fish in McGregor. That was quite the portaging over the rapids there. And Luke's got something. Nice bass.
Walleye.
Oh, it's a walleye.
Perfect size.
Perfect size. Yeah, we got one. Oh,
I'm having bad luck.
oh man, that's hilarious. I was just saying we got lunch. I guess not.
Well, there's one, others.
Right on. Okay, well, let's catch him.
Oh, really?
Splashed it. And lost them? Oh. Cool. Nice.
Nice. They're beautiful pike in here.
Yeah.
We got lunch.
Nice.
Walleye for lunch. All right.
Sweet. Let's see if we can catch any more. I'd like to eat.
We built up an appetite.
Getting to the end of McGregor Lake. Got some good fishing here. Nice.
There we go. Small little guy.
Oh.
The falls that are right there. Just see it.
There's McGregor Falls. I guess the portage is over there. See how far it is. All right, Harley, show us the portage way, hey? 198 meters up the falls. Let's do it. Whoa. Cool. Just ripped right off the Canadian shield.
Harley, right there. Good boy.
Ooh, it's getting wet in here.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Well, this is fun.
Harley, stop making it look easy. Don't fall in front of the camera.
Woo! Tricky, eh?
Yeah. through the water. And there it is. A little campsite. Beauty. Nice.
Next stop, horseshoe. No, not horseshoe. Snowshoe.
Snowshoe.
Something shoe.
Falls are down there. Look at that. Super cool. Whoop. Be careful, Harley. Pretty neat, eh, Cal?
Yeah, really cool.
Look at this. Like, how do they do that?
Here are the falls. Well, McGregor Falls is dope. Look at that. I better help Cal out before we go down the falls. First fish and snowshoe. What you got there, Cal? Oh, a pike. Yeah.
Ashy pike.
Cool. It's a big lake for us to explore. Yeah. Camp spot and snowshoe.
All right, I'm gonna make some battered walleye and some tartar sauce. That's my ingredients. My fish all cut up already.
Started the fire. Preparing your food.
And the batter in a bag.
Nice. All right.
Not too much actually.
What's next?
Well, I'm gonna soak the fish in egg.
Okay.
Just make sure this batter sticks. Got the pickle cheeks too. That's all I need. Way too much. All right, we got the walleye all in eggs. We're gonna dump it in the batter now. Quick and easy way to do this. Close it up. Give it a shake. All that's covered, coated. There's the fish ready to be put in the oil. There we go. And then I guess I'll prepare some tartar sauce now. All right, we're gonna cut up pickles in little tiny pieces. Lots of pickles. Well, got my pickles here, and I added my capers And my fresh dill. Get it all in there. Squeeze in some lemon. And add in some mayo. Mason jar. I wonder if I just put it in there and give it a shake. Oh yeah, perfect.
Nice. Is that it?
Perfect. That's it.
Nice.
There's our tartar sauce. Tasty. Yep.
Next stop, cooking the fish. Hey, don't eat it all.
It's good. Make sure that oil is hot enough. And not to crowd the pan.
Ooh.
Get a better cook if you don't crowd the pans.
Can't wait to eat it. Oh, it's almost ready. What does it taste like, Cal?
It's like popcorn chicken.
Oh, so good. Can't wait to eat the rest of it. Nice. Yum.
Can't see anything.
Time to eat.
Yummy.
Oh yeah, dip it in there. Boop, 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 boop. So good, eh? What a day.
Cheers.
Oh, too late. Too good. Just sat out on a late lunch and Cal's already on a fish. 2 seconds in.
I guess he didn't watch us eat our fish.
Yeah. Pike. Sweet out, man.
You jump off that cliff? Luke just caught like 3 pike in a row. Oh, the woodpecker's back. Woodpecker lives in this tree right here. Or I'll just check out the woodpecker's hole. Hopefully he doesn't attack me. Ooh. No way. A walleye. There we go. Could have cooked that for dinner.
Did you see that flare up?
Yeah. That's how they protect themselves. Spiky fin. Pretty thing though. Gorgeous. Just reset his rod and he got another one. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Another walleye.
Another walleye.
Nice.
Oh! Nice little spot here. Beautiful mossed rock for tents. We just found some trumpeter swans that were scared off by a beaver over here, I think. He's telling us to screw off too.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, there's another walleye. Evening bite.
Yep. Okay, now. Don't bite me. There you
Nice.
go. Sweeto.
Kelsey caught on a big fish, I think.
Oh yeah, there he is. That's a good one.
Nice. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh, big tail slap. Oh wow. Yeah. Decent. Wow.
Got his tail.
Whoop. Low battery mode.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that.
I need to measure that guy. Whew. Oh, he's heavy.
Beautiful fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually, that's
Nice.
pretty long.
Can't see his face, but I don't need to tilt his. There you go. Oh yeah. Sweet. Oh man.
Big
All right.
fish.
Cal immediately catches another fish. Oh yeah, he's got in some weeds, eh?
What is this? Might be a walleye, maybe.
Yeah, it might be. It is.
It is a walleye.
Just dragging him up. Nice. Let's see. Nice, yeah.
Rip them all over, I think.
Cool.
It's a good looking fish.
It's a keeper.
I think I just caught the big guy again. I think it's the same one.
Nice. Sweet.
Got
Oh.
some close-ups too. Oh no, the hook's still on.
Yeah. Nice.
Showing one now.
Biting much anymore.
Alright.
Playing with my drag a bit there. Walleye.
Walleye, especially for the walleye. Look with another one.
Pike.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he's nice splash. Oh, great, cool. Thanks, bud.
Oh man, he hit it too. Well, back at McGregor Falls. I'm gonna set up camp. Get ready to haul ass tomorrow, I think.